Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 21. Crops which grow and mature within few weeks of their cultivation are called A. Annual crops, B. Ephemeral crops, C. Perennial crops, D. Biennial crops. So you have crops here classified according to their life cycle. You have crops classified according to their life cycle. So let's see which one you can say grow and mature within few weeks of their cultivation. In option A, which is annual crops, refers to crops which complete their life cycle once in a year or a growing season. So they grow and mature within a year. An example of such crops include maize and millet, etc. Now option B says ephemeral crops. Now these are crops that complete their life cycle once in 3 or 4 months. So in a couple of, in a few weeks, 3 or 4 months, you can also say in few weeks, that is not up to a year. Okay, an example include tomato. Option C is perennial crops, and these are crops that complete their life cycle once in 3 years. And examples include sugarcane, plantain, etc. And lastly, option D is biennial crops, and these are crops that complete their life cycle once in 2 years. And once in 2 years. Now, from the explanations we have given, the question asks for the one which completes growth and maturity in a few weeks, and we established that option B, which is ephemeral crops, can be said to complete their growth and maturity within 3 or 4 months. That is a few weeks. That is just about a few weeks. So option B, ephemeral crops, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.